crazy. All right, let's see. Is the stream working, bro? I don't even know if the stream is working or not. Let's see, bro. I don't know what is going on with YouTube. Turn watching. Is it back? Is it back? Okay, it's back, bro. Crazy stuff on gold. Manage risk, close 75%. Let's see. Close like 80%. Maybe like 90%, 0.9. Yeah. Or good. You on good motion? Hey, let's go, bro. I don't know what happened. I think my software just went crazy because my internet is good. The internet is good, bro. But that was perfect timing, though. Bro, that was perfect timing. Right after the execution, right after managing, you know, just perfect timing. So now we're having rejection over here. Close. I have to close. Have to close, bro. I didn't even get to execute on my personal. I didn't even remember about it. I pulled it up and I forget completely, bro. I forgot completely about my personal. Let's see how many percent. Yeah, so that's not bad. That's not bad. You know, you gotta pay to see if it's gonna get a runner. You gotta pay to see if you're gonna have a runner. So we had a rejection at this level right here. But that was a nice little buy though. Nice concept right there. Made a buy, but I wish I had a runner in there. I mean, I set up the runner too, but sometimes we just don't get a runner. Even in an uptrend, you just don't get a runner, you know? That's just how it is sometimes. You gotta pay to see if you're gonna get a runner. So today, like I paid 200 because I was risking 0.5, which is 1,000. You know, I close 80%. I close 80% of that, 90%, just to see, because you know you pay for that runner, bro. You gonna get that. You gonna get it. It's worth it. So you just gotta pay to see. Because if there was a runner, bro, like, you know, that would be a good investment. You gotta invest in them runners. So that's what happened over here. Invest in them runners, bro. What is happening? Man, bro. This thing over here is like... Yeah, so, I mean, that's a W, bro. What, 20 pips? How many pips we got on gold just now? Gold went as far as... Bro, 40 pips. Bro, gold went 40 pips from that break. That's a W, bro. Today is a W. No runners. No runners today. But that's a W. Bro, should have just ended the stream right there. That's it, bro. Should have just ended the stream right there. I shouldn't have started the stream again, bro. We already got a W on gold today. Tomorrow's another day, bro. Tomorrow's another day. 0.5%, bro. Call it a day. You know, call it a day, bro. So now we at a point where I can consistently stay at 1%. That was the plan. That was a plan a week ago or so. When we get to 206, 3% buffer, then I'm gonna do 1%. So right now, I'm gonna wait until I get another 0.5%, and then I must change to 1%. Because you know what happened? Every time you change your lot size, bro, that's when you lose your first trade. So I want to make sure I keep, I got to make sure I'll get at least one more 0.5% W, get this thing to 207, and then I could do 1%. At least if I do that, then if I lose when I increase, I'm going to be at 205, and then if I do 1% after that and then I win, then I get back to 207. So I'm going to just have to wait to increase my lot size to 1% over here. Can this be considered as the market begin to range? Yeah, basically. Well, let's see. If this kind of can close bearish, bro, like I think you could I think the next 15-minute candle can even come and fill this support, bro. It's not really ranging. You got 40 pips, 36 pips down here. So that's not bad. If it can close right here and the next candle can like open and break the low, then I think, this could be some resistance for price to continue coming down here. So I don't see it as a consolidation as yet. Maybe if a few more candles print side by side, but as of now, like, it's still looking like you can get in some sells right here. Still looking. Because this is what? 50 pip range here. And that break, you get like 30 pips. So overall on the 30-minute, it might look like it's ranging. Let's see. Nah, it's chilling, bro. It's chilling. It's chilling. It's not ranging where it's bad, Still got some nice range that you're working with over here. It's not too crazy. This was some cheeky buys over here though. Cheeky buys on that break. Gotta manage risk, bro. Can't play Batman, because you're gonna play Batman and you're gonna get stopped out. Once price give you 25, 30 pips, close partials and let it run. You gotta let it rip. So that's what happened over here. Came out, closed 80%, price came back to break even, and now it's just chilling. So I think that's gonna be it for today on Goldie. Can't pressure on Monday. Can't pressure on Monday. So let's see if this candle gonna flip and continue to go down. This is gonna be a paper trade right here. Got a nice 20 pip, 30 pip target. 20 pip SL would have been decent. Resistance. So let's see what happened. Let's see what would have happened if you executed right here on this resistance. So right now you up 6 pips. Five minutes should be looking even better. So right now you up 6 pips. Crazy resistance up there. Seven pips. Oh, crazy rejection here. You just gotta wait for more confirmation. Gotta wait for more confirmation over here. Tomorrow's another day. Yep, 30 minutes still bullish. Tomorrow's another day. Oh, new 30 minute. New 30 minute. One shot, you take it, and that's it. You gotta get one shot and you take it. Tomorrow is a different day. You don't want to give back profit to the same people over here. You're gonna try to give tomorrow a different set of people. Can't give the same people the same, you already got money from these people. You ain't gonna give them back. Give a different different set of people tomorrow. So let's see. When this candle closes, you're gonna get a lot more information. You're gonna see if you got support, if you got resistance, if it's gonna break. You know, you're gonna get a lot more information once this candle closes. Because the price just pushed up, rejected, so it's really hard to tell where price is going right now. It's kind of in between. And this is one big range technically. One big range. You want good. So who took that? Who took those buys, bro? Who took those buys? Who took these buys over here on that break? Who took them buys? Let's see what's happening on AU. Let's see what AU did on EU. Interesting price action over here. Bro, you see that, bro? It's doing a deeper pullback. So even if I had executed, let's see what I would have done. If I executed here, price came, it didn't go 1-to-1, so I probably would have just closed half if it went back to my entry. Because what I like to do, if it goes to 1-to-1, then I put everything at break even. If it doesn't go to 1-to-1, then I close half the position at the entry. But it's looking like it's gonna do a better pullback. Made 0.8% on the buy. Nice, bro. Let's go, bro. Same, bro. 0.8%. You know, sometimes them runners 0.8%, that's good, bro. I did 0.5% and closed maybe like 0.4. Closed like 0.4, bro. But if I was doing 1%, it would have been like 0.8% too. %, yeah. Them runners, when some runners kick in, that's a catch. That's a catch. Cause now, when you close 80%, if the 20% don't work out, when that 20% does work out, it's gonna be like even 40%, 50%, 60%. You know, so it always comes back. So some days runners, some days no runners. Some days you only can get 30 pips, 20 pips, even 15 pips break even. And then you got next days when like you get that nice runner. But right now it's ranging, so we can't get runners in this range unless we so happen to execute when it's gonna break through. Maybe on the downside it would have been better to get runner. It's the thing, because even anyone who entered up here, they still didn't get runners. Cause see, it came back. That's why like you got in up here, you gotta make sure down here you close 80%, close whatever. You know, manage risk. Right here I would have closed 80% at this support. Down here I'd have closed more of the partial. So gotta be super patient over here on Goldie. You know, I already took one buy, so not in a rush on the same setup. Because if you already let's say you already took a trade. If you already took a trade, just wait on the next setup. Wait for price to leave this area. It don't make sense execute on the same push, same pullback. Gotta wait on a whole new structure. You know, because we already know, like, based on how the sessions have been going, you get like 3 shot. You get 3 shot at least, max 3, sometimes 4, but mostly 3 shots. You know, we had a break here, we had a support here, so we got 1, 2. You know, so you gotta wait to see where the third one. I think this is still part of this. So you gotta see if price is gonna range and then break out later for one more setup. But you know, maybe have one more setup before London, before New York open. You know, but we are done for today, bro. Tomorrow we're gonna try to see if we can get that volume on gold London session. Let's see, was it NJ? I think Roshan was in NJ, bro. Did it reject? Did it reject? Oh shoot. Crazy stuff over here for Roshan. But no, he holding. I know he's holding. I know he's holding, bro. I know he's holding, bro. Maybe if we join the cells up here, you know, that can help him out a bit. USD JPY. Let's see. USD JPY. I don't know. You think this is support? You think this is support and you're gonna get some buy action or what? I feel like it's been going down, bro. It's been going down, bro. I mean, buys are risky. Buys are risky, bro. It's not enough confirmation for buys. Let's see. I'd want to see it break this one too. Then I'll be interested in buys. But right now, like, you know, it's tough, bro. Anything can happen over here. You could get some short-term buys, manage risk. If it goes, you get that's good. You could, you know, leave some runners. But if you're gonna take buys over here, bro, just manage risk. Just be aggressive, you know. It's worth a shot. You don't gotta be like, you know, there's no right or wrong. Just manage risk. It's gotta go up at some point. It's been going down anyways. Just use one of these lows as like where you're gonna close half or like, you know, wherever. Like even if you buy like this random pullback, assuming that it's gonna continue going up, and let's say use this as the SL, like bro, if it break and close below this, just like close half. And if it's dropping hard, you just close everything. Just don't set a hard SL. You know, like, you know, that's what I would do, bro. I'm not looking for sells on this thing because it already sold off. You know, it already sold off, bro. So let's see. Let's see what happened over here. Wait, actually, let's check this on the higher time frame again. Yeah, and if this close like super bearish, if this H1 close super bearish, then it could be like, okay, like, you know, resistance here, anticipating for it to like, you know, continue going down. So, you know, you just gotta see this thing start breaking previous lows, the next one, you know, like if you're gonna look for sell, just wait a little bit. If you're gonna look for buys, like, you know, if you want to get in early, you manage risk. You know, just nothing crazy, bro. Right now on AU, I'm just waiting to see if, you know, it can come back deeper. You know, I don't know. I'm gonna see. Maybe I look for buys. It's been going down anyways. You know, I want to see if it's gonna respect this thing though, because it just broke this H4 level. So I want to see if it's gonna do a nice pullback. Then I can look for sells. GU, you see, bro. You know, like, you know, that's why I didn't look at GU because it didn't, bro. Like, it rejected. I know, like, it's just support going up. So let's see. Maybe we could get some buys on the GU for the swing. We could get some buys over here. H4, crazy rejection, bro. Dang. Crazy rejection. Crazy rejection. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late. Too late. Let's see. AU. What else was I looking at? Yeah, these things are just pushing. Oh, GJ. GJ, bro. Is it gonna close with support? Bro, this is horrible. GJ was the only setup we got last week on the swing side. GJ was the only thing, one trade last week on the swing side. Bro, look at AU. Crazy. See, that's why I wanted to wait for a better pullback, bro. Cause this pullback is like a fraud. This pullback is a fraud, bro. This one right here is a fraud. No, it's pulling back better. No, it's pulling back better. Yes, sure, bro. Can I copy your color candles? Your chart looks neat. Yeah, bro, right here. You're gonna have to probably go back though to this spot. For the background, it's this one right here. For the body, it's this green, like 60%. The red, 44%. Yeah, that's really it. That's really it. These stuff, the rectangle, it's like, let's see. The rectangle, yeah, it's like the white one with like 46%. And I use this one too sometimes. 46% yellow. But yeah, right now on AU, I'm just trying to see if we could get a because look, it closed with our body below this support. So, you know, I'm gonna try to see if we can get some price action to maybe come down here. Let's see. Let's see. Got nice clean range to the downside, but I want to see a proper pullback. If it's gonna come down here, I think it needs a proper pullback. So that's what I'm gonna wait on, a proper pullback on AU, and then I can execute. Maybe something coming back up here, collecting some liquidity or something. And then I could look to execute. What you think of gold right now? Let's see gold right now. Yeah, gold is just chilling. No volume, just chilling right now. And gold right now, let's say if I just woke up, bro, and I was looking at the chart, I'd want to see it close with a body right here. You know, I didn't get to execute on my personal, so I might do this setup. If this happened and I'm up, you know, I might do this setup. I would want to see close with a body above or below, preferably below, because this is cleaner range. You know, you could start managing risk at these wicks over here. Maybe like, you know, start closing half or like, you know, let's see how many pips. It all depends on where that candle close. So yeah, like 26 pip. If it can close right on this arrow, that's good. You know, you have 26 pips to manage risk in case there's going to be a rejection. Same thing up here too. Like if it can close with a body, you got a decent space where you can manage risk. So this would be, let's say, close right here, this arrow, like, you know, 27 pips to 26 pips. So that's what I wait on gold right now, just for like a close with a body, not too far. You know, if it happen, it happen. But sometimes it can close right here. But in here, it's like gotta wait for more price action to see if something is possible in here. Right now, it's just ranging. This is a this is a huge range. This is like a nice. Let's see. Yeah, it's just ranging right now. It's ranging. You got wick. Yeah, you can't do anything. When you got wick like that on both sides, you can't do anything. You just gotta wait for the candle to break and close with a body. So that's what I would look on gold right now. I already took one setup today, so bro, I keep forgetting about the execution on my thing. I put it up, but it didn't go through. It didn't go through. Didn't remember. Didn't remember, bro.
You remind me of me when I was younger. Depressed and sullen.
The
Matter of fact, I
H1.
tried to kill myself a couple of times. Never could get that shit right.
This is looking like it's gonna set up for a nice continuation though, I ain't gonna lie. If this candle can close up here, the next candle can easily continue going up, bro.
Then I realized that shit was my power. People walk around, act like they know what
Yeah,
pain
but the
means.
wick here, you gotta be super careful.
No one does.
Them wicks, bro, you can't ignore them wicks.
Yourself, me.
There's a difference, bro. If this wick was if these wicks weren't here, bro, this would have been like a nice clean range. You know, not the best because you still got these wicks down here, but you know it would be a lot better when you have wicks right here, bro. Like you got people, you know, this is saying a lot, and this right here, you got a rejection here, so you got to be careful. Got to be super careful. Hey, I still feel like you need to go up, bro. Like if you're gonna come all the way down here, I feel like you need to go up somewhere. Let's see. Is this it? You think this is it? Maybe if it break below. Let's see. You got is this it? Is this it, AU? AU girl, not the tight ups, girl. Crazy rejection on GU. AD Swiss, it's like it's not doing nothing. Yeah, nothing. Just, you know, at support right now. So let's see, maybe we can get a sweep or something. Let's see. I'm gonna keep an eye on this support over here because this thing must reject. Bro, I'm gonna watch this thing until it reject. However long it take, I'm gonna wait until it reject. I am going to wait until it reject. Wait on that nice support. Start catching some buys. Bro, this has been dropping since Friday. So maybe you could get a nice little nice buy setup. Bro, actually, this is what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. Cause YOLO. Put a nice pending order right here. Nice pendy. Nice little pendy. I'm joking. I don't do pendy. I'm gonna wait on the rejection and then try to execute. I'm gonna wait on that rejection. Let's see GU. Let's see GJ. Ranging. Crazy stuff. Crazy range. Still feel like it can fill this thing though. Maybe an impulse sell to fill this it's not enough range, that's the thing. It's not enough range. It's not enough range. You'd have to do something like this to anticipate, but then you'd be committing to the analysis rather than the price action. So that's why I wouldn't want to. Usually, so like before I do stuff like that, anticipating that, oh, you know, it's gonna come back here, reject, and then go down. But you know, like I don't like telling price what to do. I want to wait to see it break and close if it's gonna go down. But I don't like the range is too small, so I don't know. Maybe just wait for buys or something. Maybe it's not gonna go there. Maybe that's where you're gonna have support. The H4 candle is gonna close bullish right here, and then the next candle can start going up. So I'm gonna keep an eye out for buys over here too, because it's been going down since Friday anyways, you know. I don't expect Monday to go down to Tuesday, Wednesday. You know, at some point you're gonna have a nice rejection on the JPY peers. So I'm gonna keep an eye. If it can break even that previous, maybe this is gonna become support. You start looking for buys. Maybe you could start looking for buys now. Let's see. Let's see what happened over here. Keep an eye on the 15-minute. Keep an eye on the 15-minute. Let's set a nice alert up here. GJ, yeah. Nice alert above this thing. Then I could start looking for buys. Apart from that, not looking for nothing. The gold is like, can't do anything on Goldie. See, you're getting them New York wicks. Getting them New York wicks early. Getting them New York wicks early. Yeah, we got New York Open coming up in 30 minutes. Okay, so I think this might be it. An AU. Nice 1 to 2. If I execute on this, anything that close above this level, I'm definitely gonna close half. Yo, bro, did I miss something? Oh, you missed gold buys earlier, bro. You missed some gold buys, bro. You missed some gold buys. You missed some gold buys, bro. You missed some gold buys. Danger zone. This red means danger zone. Means close half. Means close half. Yeah, still gonna wait on a better pullback. I'm not convinced of this thing. That is not convincing. We'll see something better. Where are you waiting now for on gold? I want in this year. Right now, bro, like I'd wait for this candle to close down here bullish. I mean bearish with a body. Close with a body, then you know you could start looking for sells. I think that would be a good idea. If you can close down here at a body, then that's a good idea. And on the buy side, if it can close up here with a body. So you just gotta see. So let's see, you got 4 more minutes. You know, you got volume coming in, New York volume coming in. You could do an execution based off the 30-minute. Maybe if this 30-minute candle can close where this arrow is with a body, just outside, then you know you could continue to break through, maybe come all the way down here. You know, you never know. You just gotta see. You just gotta see. Brad, can I ask what is the app you have to draw the rectangles and show the number of pips on certain points on your charts? Because I really need a tool of that. It's right here, bro. It's on the trading view. Right here. Wait, let me find it. Right here, there's a measuring tool on trading view. You just gotta click it, bro, and then it's gonna pop up price range tool. And the rectangles right here. Rectangles. Let's see if we can find the rectangles right here. Yeah, bro, you just gotta see what happened over here. But I think that's it for gold, bro. That's it for gold today. It's ranging, it's hitting this support. You gotta wait for price to break and close. Maybe New York Open volume can do something. So let's see what happened at New York Open. But and I mean that's supposed to be it for today, bro. Tomorrow we can see what happened on gold. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to see if we can catch 0.5% again. So let's see. I want to get one more 0.5% before I switch to 1%, bro. Gotta get this thing to 207 first. So let's see. But so far, it's not looking bad. Just gotta get that partial, bro. Gotta get that runner. Gotta get that runner. Slowly growing this thing over here. Not in a rush, bro. Not in a rush. Just gotta try to get them runners. If you can switch, if we can do 1% and start getting the runners on the 1%, bro. You gotta think like 1%. You just need like 6 winning trades, bro. And just like that, phase 1 is done. So you can't rush it. Start with 0.5%. The slowest part is 0.5%. When you do 0.5%, that's the slowest part. But once you do 1%, you're really just like 6-7 trades, away from completing phase 1. And then phase 2, you got to go back to 0.5% and keep it at 0.5%. Don't do 1%. Just, I mean, if you at phase 2, maybe at like 2%, you can do 1%, but then you're gonna be rushing it. You're gonna be rushing it. But that's what I want to do on this thing over here. Get it to 207, and then just if the first time I switch to 1%, that 1% is a winning trade, then that can save us like days or a week. That can save like a week. If you can get the when you just increase the lot size and you get a W, that save a whole week. Because if you get an L, then you got to go back to 0.5 and get it back to 207. So anytime it's below 207, I'm gonna do 0.5. When it's above 207, I'm gonna do 1. So it all depends on when you do that 1%. If you get a runner, then that is good. You just random. But we're not in a rush to just do 1%, and then if I do 1% and take a L, I'm gonna go back to 0.5%. Can't get this thing down in beyond 200K, bro. Gotta keep it above 200K. Have to keep it above 200K. So right now this is like 3%. So the game, like when you do 1%, that's when the real stuff started happening. Especially if you can get a runner in no time, bro. Like this thing can be done in this phase 1 can be done in April, bro. Before April is done. But you gotta get that 1%. Gotta get that 1%. We already done phase 2, right? Well, not really. Gotta get it to 2 or 10 to finish phase 2. The swing is a bit slow. I'm gonna have to step it up on the swing side. because that one is only at 101. It's still at 101. But, you know, not in a rush with any of these things. Because once you start rushing them, that's when you start like blowing them and like you put too much pressure on them. That's why like I still trade my real account, not putting any pressure on my real account, not putting any pressure on these accounts. So, you know, if it happened, it happened. You know, there's no rush because this is a challenge. Well, let's see, 30-minute candle about a break. Is there volume to push through? Break on this thing. This is a good setup right here if there's volume. This is a nice setup right here. Nice setup right here. Oh, volume. Volume? Or no, or fake out. Gotta be super careful. If this was like 8 a.m., then if this was 8 a.m., saw this happening at 8 a.m., I would go for it. For volume to push through this week, this, like, if it was 8 a.m., I would go for this. But right now, if you're gonna do 1%, maybe on this one you can do 0.5%. Just because, like, you know, you got rejection here. You know, it's a nice wick fill though, but you gotta be careful. Rejection, rejection, rejection. That's why I was hoping the candle would close like this. If this candle had closed like this, it's a huge difference. You know, so now you entering on the impulse based on the time. New 15-minute, new 30-minute. This is just impulse right here, but it's looking good so far. It's looking good on this thing. It's a more risky entry compared to this buy right here, but still valid. Still valid. Volume can fill this thing over here. Can volume fill this thing? Let's see how many pips. So far, it went as far as 12 pips from that break, 13 pips. That should be enough to manage risk at this point. If it comes back to the entry, you could close off. That's what I would do in this risky situation. Price move 13 pips. If it's gonna go back to that entry, I'd close half and give another half a chance, just in case like volume just keeps pushing it through. So yeah, I'll close half right there, and like, you know, it's whatever. This type of stuff is super risky. Rejection, rejection. It's gonna follow these things over here. It's gonna follow these wick over here. So that's why I gotta wait on it to close. Super risky setup. You have to wait on this thing to close, bro. It's a reason why these wicks are over here. You know, I got rejection, rejection, rejection. You need a body to close below. You need a body, bro. You need a body. Need a body. So you just waste, if you did 1%, you just waste 0.5% trying to see if this thing's gonna go down. So this is the difference between waiting for the candle to close and also being a breakout trader. Because if you're a breakout trader, then you know you just gotta accept the L right there. But if you wait for it to close, you know, you avoided this thing right here. You got rejection, 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 rejection. So maybe the next candle, maybe New York open. Gotta be careful. So it's going back in this range again. Going back in that range, bro. Go back in that range. I don't know why my thing freezing. I don't know, bro. I gotta fix my setup for tomorrow. fix my setup. What the freak? I gotta fix my thing, bro. Like, shouldn't be doing all this stuff. Yeah. Break and close, super important. Now we're back at square one. Back at square one. Let's see what AU is doing, bro. I'm locked in on AU. Trying to see if AU is gonna do a better pullback, or it's gonna like scam an entry. Yeah. Nothing on that. GN is still going up. Crazy. Crazy stuff on GN. Okay, GU. GU. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it over here. So nothing on the swing side. Nothing on the swing side today. Today, nothing on the swing side. Just gold. Just goldy. Oh yeah, EU, is it rejecting? Yeah, so AU, I'm gonna watch it later. Maybe update it and maybe I'll update AU in the Telegram or something. GU, no pullback, it's just going up. Yeah, can't do anything about that. I feel like every day it's like the same thing. You just don't get what you're waiting for. What's the alert on this thing? Yeah, at 8 we're gonna call it. Tomorrow we're gonna see if we can find something else on Gold D. As of right now, just waiting on a pullback on AU. See, it's a fraud. That pullback is a fraud. It's still going up. It's still going up. Still going up. Want to see a magic trick? I'll show you guys a magic trick. Show you guys some magic over here. But don't try this at home though. Don't try this at home. Don't try this thing at home. See Goldie. There gold is just ranging. So nothing gonna happen right now. 15 more minutes, nothing gonna happen on gold. Still ranging. Still ranging, so nothing over here. So not the best price action on gold today. Not the best. Not the best. What is this music, bro? Some Japanese type of thing. Do not try this at home. Trading is risky. You will blow your account. GJH for a candle looking good. I'm gonna keep an eye on GJ later. But them buys gonna be good. If it's going up, if this candle closes super bullish like this, you know, I'm gonna be looking for buys later. Probably just execute based off the H4. This is gonna be nice support right here. But let's see. I'm gonna keep an eye open on that one. Gotta keep an eye open. Yeah, gold is just ranging, bro. Gold is literally just ranging. Alright. Nah, bro, we chilling. We chilling, bro. We are chilling. We are chilling, bro. The way OG you just pushed. The way OG you just pushed. No pullback, nothing, bro. Like, that is unfair. Maybe this week we can have some better price action on the swing side for the regular pairs. Maybe, just maybe. Just maybe. Just maybe. Okay. Are you acting tough? Are you acting tough again? Are you acting tough again? Bro, this price action is crazy. I feel like you can't do anything on the lower time frame. You can't do anything on the higher time frame. It's not set up. What I realized, the swing setups, like, they haven't been setting up in a way where like you can like manage risk without like. I feel like you just gotta have a hard SL. You know, that's what I feel like. You know, over the past week or so, you gotta have a hard SL. Okay, let's see. Let's see. This is what I'm gonna do on AU. If it break above this level and close, I'm gonna close half. If it comes back above here, I'm gonna close half, and then I'm gonna just manage risk. So that's what I'm gonna do on AU. That's what I'm gonna do on AU. 11 pips. That's what we're going to do on AU over here. So 62615. Six two two eight two. Okay, so let's see what happened over here. If it closes with a body above this level, I'm gonna close half of it. Let's see. Shit, I don't even got Telegram again on here. Alright, I'm gonna have to send this later. Let's see. So let's see. Just gotta manage risk. Like, if something closes that body above that red zone, I'm gonna just close half. Close half this dog. Get a nice swing on this. Let's see. What do you think of AU? I don't know. I feel like it can go down. I feel like it has a lot of potential to go down, but I also feel like it can pull back deeper. So I'm gonna give AU. I'm gonna be focusing AU like today, tomorrow. If it comes up here, this is what I'm gonna do. If the 5-minute candle close with a body above here, I'm gonna close half, and then I'm gonna watch price action. Maybe I close the whole thing, but if there's a better rejection, then I'm gonna give it a second chance later. So that's what I'm gonna do on AU. Because when I was looking at it, like the H4 closed bearish below this support with a body, so that's a higher probability that we can actually come down here, start making some structure below here. But it might, the analysis might be right, but just the wrong execution. So that's why I'm gonna give this a second chance. If it comes back, I'm gonna wait for that rejection later on. Just wait, like, because right here, this was my initial alert. I wanted price to come up here, so I don't know, just gotta see. How many days do you open per day on average? Like 1, 2, 1 or 2, mostly 1, bro. Today, one on gold and one on the swing side of things. So to 1 gold today, and I haven't taken us, like, the last time I did something else was on GJ last Monday, and that was it. So today I'm gonna be a little bit more aggressive on the swing side. I target 1 to 2 on the swing side, so just gotta see. Telegram. Yeah, so GU. I like executing on, I ain't gonna lie, whenever, for some reason, some psychological reason, whenever I'm doing a swing, I like doing 2 entries. I like doing 2 entries. I don't know if because, like, if one work or the other don't work, it's still, the 1 to 2, like, I always work out good that way. So right now, I executed on AU, so let me see, maybe GJ can get that. Maybe I can do that buy on GJ. That's what I probably do, and just hold 2 positions and see what happens. Hold 2 positions and see what happens. 80 Swiss is still pushing down. Gold, GN, and gold ranging. So it might be GJ. Maybe we can get a discount on GJ. Let's see. And just hold both. You know, that's what I'm gonna do on this thing over here. You know, discount on GJ though. So let's put this setup right here. Then we could probably do something like this. You know, maybe down here. Target something for the rest of the day. Yeah, nothing crazy. Keep an eye on AU and GJ. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just try to get two. I know there's level right here, but like, based off the H4 flip, whatever, like, crazy H4 right now. So not too concerned about that technical stuff. That's what I like about the swing setup. You target a 1 to 2, you enter 2 trades. You know, if one work out, you already made profit. Let's see. Everything. Okay, we got New York opening in 1 minute. So let's see what happened on Goldisha. New York opening in 1 minute. Will price start moving? Can't do anything because even if price start moving, I know that's a breakout. No, that's a breakout. You can't do anything on the breakout unless you trade breakout. It's just ranging. Someone mentioned earlier about a range. Yeah, now you can see clearly that it's ranging. So if I just got on the chart, I would want to see price break above and close with a body above this thing. Because even right here, if it closes above here, it's still risky because this is choppy. This is choppy to the left right here. I would want to see a body close down here, and then I could like start filling this range. On the downside, on the upside, it's choppy. It's tough. It's tough on the upside. It's tough on the upside. You gotta be super careful on the upside because you got resistance everywhere. You got resistance, you got wick. Like right here, it's tough. It's a small range. Yeah, it's tough. The cells are looking better. Cells are looking better. Yeah, still ranging. Nothing happening over here, and this code can be one. This code can be used. What? Opening Telegram. To confirm Telegram, please go to settings devices. Link just on device and scan the code. How is it doing this? Yeah, nothing here on Goldie right now. Even on the open, nothing happening. Nothing happening. Okay. Can AU keep this up? That's the question. Can AU keep it up? Ready to manage risk. If it breaks this level, that would be good. If it breaks that level, that's good. All right. Let's see. Let's see. All right. What do you think of AU? Thanks. Good morning, everyone. Hey, what's up, bro? Honest, what's up, bro? You in this AU trade? Yeah, I'm in this AU, bro. I'm trying to see what happened over here. You know, I'm trying to see if this thing can get to 1-to-1. I'm a manage risk hard, bro. I'm gonna probably just, this was 1%. If this thing get 1-to-1, I'm gonna put 0.5% where I was gonna close break even. You know, not messing around with this thing. Look at what the New York Open is doing. Any chance? Let's see, New York Open. Okay, what time is it? This kind of still needs to close. That's the first thing. This needs to close, but bro, honestly, like, I'm not interested in anything up here. It's not clean. It's a mess. It's a mess, bro. Like right here, rejection, resistance, resistance. Bro, I would want to see something close above 31.25 with a body to look for buys, and to close below right here. Back at the, which one was that? GJ? GU? So that means GU alert went off. Let's see, GU. Okay. GU, AU, GJ. Okay, GJ is what I'm interested in. If I could, if I can't enter on GJ, I'm gonna just hold everything on AU how it is. I don't know, it's just a psychological thing. Like when I'm in two, you know, one most of the time, like one will just work out, and I'm okay with that. Let's see. Yeah, I'd want to see it close above, bro, with a body. Not interested in this. It's too choppy right here, bro. It's too messy here. Let's see the H1. Maybe the higher time frame can show something better. Let's see what H1 is saying. Yeah. You just gotta be patient. On the H1, you know, you can still get your continuation. But look at this wick. This wick disrespected this candle, and then it came down here, disrespected this. This was a crazy H1 candle, so you gotta be careful. This H1 candle was brutal. Went to the high and the low of the previous candle, which is crazy. You don't want that to happen, bro. So let's see. Can't ignore these things over here. Can't ignore. I think that's it for gold today, bro. There was an earlier setup on gold. There was a better setup on gold earlier. You know, we took some buys, like 30, I think it was like 30 pips. Let's see. We took this buy over here. This was the one setup for the day, bro. Wait, would they have replay mode on this too? I don't think so. This was the one buy we took today. Price came down. Rejection. GJ, okay, GJ went off, so you know, I'm really looking to do that thing. Rejection, and then this nice body. On the bull side, you know, rejection, you know, some support here. So what happened was waiting on the next candle to open, make a bottom wick, and then flip. Executed on the break of the previous candle. Price pushed up like, price went as far as like 40 pips. You know, close 80% right here, anticipating that maybe it can continue to break all time, whatever. Rejected, you know, so that was it. That was a one setup, 40 pip move, and that was it. No more setup. Earlier, some people got sells over here, but you know, I wasn't interested in this level. You got support here, so it's kind of messy to me. But on, you know, price pushed down, made like nice clean range with that volume, executed on that support, and that was it. After that price range, this might be the next move right now, but this is messy. To the left is messy. You want anything to do with this thing over here, you might as well wait for like for it to break above and like start doing some other stuff. So let's see what GJ is doing. I'm waiting on a rejection on GJ because I feel like GJ can still go up, bro. Or maybe it's a rejection to continue coming back down. I don't know. We just gotta see. Maybe you can wait on GJ to break this thing. Impulse. Impulse break that high. See the H4. Yeah, and GJ, bro, like if this next H4 candle at 9 can make some bottom wick and break this previous candle, then that is super good, bro. Getting on that buy right there. If the next H4 candle can do its thing, so right now because GJ is so messy on the lower time frame, can't know if it's gonna go down, can't know if it's gonna go up. I'm gonna just keep it on the H4 and do an execution based off the H4. If the next candle can break, next H4 candle can break this high after it makes a bottom wick, then I'm gonna do that on GJ. Go for a nice 1 to 2. Just hold that thing, you know. Let's see. I don't want to execute now because let's see. We still got the H4 candle that needs a bottom wick. But if this thing is gonna break before, it can go far within the next 30 minutes. So I don't know. Let's see. It don't matter because the H4 has to do some pullback anyways. So even if it break above, like if I can get a pullback above this level, that is good too. Can get us some short-term buys up here. So it's really the same thing. So I'm gonna keep an eye on GJ. If AU can get to 1-to-1, then I'm gonna put this thing at half the risk. At half the risk over here. You just gotta see what happened. Well, you don't want price to go like far and then come back and stop you out. You know, so we got like what? Almost at a 1-to-1. So let's see. This is good signs over here. GJ. I feel like GJ gonna break through this thing, you know. I just feel it. Solid H4, bro. Solid H4. Solid H4 on GJ. Yeah, nothing on gold, so I think that's it. Still crazy stuff on gold. Really don't miss anything. Tomorrow we're gonna see what can happen on Goldie. As of now, just gonna hold AU, and I'm gonna try to see if I can get a buy on GJ at some point, and just hold both of them throughout the rest of the day. So yeah, we're gonna call it right here, bro. Call it right here. Tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow is another day. But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna be locked in at 2 a.m. Eastern time though. Not 3 a.m. 2 a.m. 2 a.m. So you know, that's it. We're gonna call it right here. Tomorrow's another day. Alright guys, take care, bro. Super sleepy. Super sleepy.